To fix Duolingo mic not working on a device, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix mic not working of Duolingo. Now to fix it, make sure that your device is connected to any kind of Wi-Fi or data. So if your device is not connected to strong Wi-Fi or data, then that may also be the reason that you are getting the issue of mic not working on Duolingo. Secondly, turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, this helps you to reset all the network settings on a device and also helps you to fix the box side errors which are occurring on there. So simply turn it back after a few seconds, and from there you just need to go to settings on a device. So open settings and you just need to search for the app Duolingo. So under Duolingo, make sure that you have given permission to the microphone. So click on the option permission and see if you have allowed microphone or not. And if you have allowed microphone, then that's good. If you have not, you just need to give the permission to the microphone, and this will help you to fix the issue of it. Now if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to restart the device and you will be able to fix the issue of it. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.